Many Tesla Model Y owners face the challenge of mounting a front license plate, especially in states where it's legally required. The Model Y's smooth, aerodynamic fascia lacks pre-drilled holes, leading to various mounting solutions and, often, frustrating rattles. This video will guide you through fixing your front license plate securely and silencing those annoying rattles. There are three main approaches to mounting a front license plate on the Tesla Model Y: official Tesla brackets, aftermarket options, and DIY methods. Each has its own advantages and drawbacks. Tesla offers an official no-drill bracket that clips directly onto the front fascia without any modifications to the vehicle. This metal bracket uses reinforced plastic clips and a secure latch to hold the plate firmly. Aftermarket brands like WeatherTech offer drill-free solutions with built-in vibration dampening features. Their brackets often include foam or neoprene pads to reduce rattles and maintain stability during driving. DIY methods often involve adhesives like 3M tape or custom foam brackets. While these can be inexpensive and creative solutions, they carry risks such as warranty voiding and potential damage to the vehicle's fascia. When choosing a mounting option, consider factors like reliability, cost, and warranty implications. Official and quality aftermarket solutions generally provide the best balance of performance and safety for your Tesla Model Y. Follow these steps to install Tesla's official front license plate bracket for a secure, rattle-free fit that withstands high speeds. First, gather the official Tesla front license plate bracket, your license plate, and a screwdriver if the bracket requires screws. Inspect the bracket for any damage before starting. Position the bracket at the center of the front fascia. Use the built-in alignment guides to ensure it's level and centered for optimal stability. Press the bracket firmly onto the fascia, engaging the push-pin system and secure latch. This no-drill method maintains the vehicle's design integrity. Attach the license plate to the bracket using the provided screws or fasteners. Tighten them securely, but not overly tight, to avoid damage while ensuring stability. Check for a snug fit with no vibrations. Test drive at low speeds to confirm stability. Ensure the plate doesn't obstruct sensors or visibility for safety compliance. Following these steps ensures a secure installation that prevents rattles and maintains safety at high speeds. Rattles in the Tesla Model Y front license plate typically arise from three main causes: wind resistance at high speeds, road vibrations from uneven surfaces, and fascia flex from the vehicle's movement. First, add neoprene pads between the bracket and fascia to dampen vibrations. These pads absorb shocks from road vibrations and reduce rattle noise. Ensure proper weight distribution by aligning the plate's center of gravity with the bracket. This prevents uneven pressure that causes flex and rattles. Tighten all connections securely, ensuring the bracket is firmly attached to the fascia and the plate is locked in place. Loose connections amplify vibrations. Tesla's 2025 firmware update v2025.12 adjusts suspension calibration to reduce front-end vibrations, indirectly improving plate stability and reducing rattles. WeatherTech offers a popular aftermarket solution for the Tesla Model Y front license plate. Their mount features a drill-free design that uses strong adhesive pads to attach to the fascia, eliminating the need for permanent modifications. Installation is straightforward and typically takes about 10 minutes. Users appreciate the clear instructions and the fact that no tools are required beyond basic cleaning supplies. The WeatherTech mount excels at reducing rattles through integrated foam inserts that dampen vibrations from road conditions and wind. Users report significant improvements in stability during highway driving. User reviews are largely positive, with many owners noting the mount's reliability and ease of use. Amazon ratings average 4.5 stars from thousands of reviews, highlighting successful long-term installations. Some users report that initial alignment can take trial and error, and adhesive performance may vary in extreme climates. However, these issues are generally minor compared to the benefits. Other reliable alternatives include the official Tesla mount and various certified aftermarket options. These provide similar benefits with different price points and installation methods. While DIY fixes can be cost-effective, they also pose significant risks to your Tesla Model Y. DIY approaches save money compared to official brackets, but improper installation can lead to serious problems. Using adhesives like 3M spray or tape can cause permanent damage to your vehicle's fascia. Strong adhesives can peel paint or plastic, leading to costly repairs and voiding your warranty. Foam padding can reduce rattles temporarily, but often fails over time due to wear or weather. Custom brackets can work if made from durable materials, but require careful design to avoid sensor interference. If attempting DIY fixes, always use premium materials and take precautions to protect your vehicle and maintain safety. Legal requirements for front license plates vary by state, with over 30 U.S. states mandating their use. Failure to comply can result in fines and vehicle impoundment. Safety is paramount when mounting a front license plate. The installation must not obstruct critical sensors like the front camera or radar system. Proper visibility ensures the license plate is clearly readable and does not interfere with vehicle operation. The plate must remain secure and visible at all times. Always prioritize safety and legal compliance when choosing a mounting solution for your Tesla Model Y front license plate. Looking ahead, the Tesla Model Y front license plate solutions are evolving towards more integrated and intelligent designs. The industry is shifting from add-on brackets to OEM-style solutions that blend seamlessly with vehicle aesthetics. Tesla may incorporate license plate holders directly into future Model Y designs using 3D printed or modular fascias. This would eliminate the need for separate brackets and reduce potential rattle issues. Innovative accessories include smart mounts with integrated LED lighting for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions, improving safety and compliance. Tesla's app may soon feature AI-driven diagnostics to detect and alert users to potential rattles or mounting issues, allowing for proactive fixes through over-the-air updates. As electric vehicle adoption grows, reaching 40% of U.S. sales by 2030, license plate solutions will prioritize sustainability with biodegradable materials and integrated designs that support Tesla's environmental goals. In conclusion, the future of Tesla Model Y front license plate solutions promises seamless integration, smart technology, and sustainable practices that align with broader EV trends.